So today I want to show you how to remove a bank or card on your Venmo account. So we're here on the main page of our Venmo account. And what we actually want to do is go ahead and remove either a bank or card that we have on file with Venmo. So we're going to actually scroll down here to the Me section of Venmo. And from this page right over here, you're going to see some information for you. And there's going to be a section that says bank and cards. And you can actually see some of your cards, whether it's the actual Venmo debit card or any banks you have on file. So if we actually scroll down just a little bit to these cards and then kind of slide through to the bank or card that we do not want anymore, all we actually have to do is tap on that card. And it's going to bring up this information, and down here you can actually see where it says remove. So from this page right over here, you can actually see the remove button. So we're going to tap over here, and it's going to just verify that you want to go ahead and remove this bank. Click on remove. And just like that, our bank account on Venmo has been removed. Now I want you to keep on learning how to utilize Venmo. So check out my video right over here on screen.